Hey everyone! So today we're in Belfast walking through Botanic towards the city centre. In this video we're going to take you from Botanic area of Belfast to the city centre and the world's most bombed hotel. I love this part of Belfast. It's very diverse, lots of restaurants, independent coffee shops and lots of things to do. If you're new to the channel, we're Walk with Neve and we share new walking tours, travel vlogs and hotel reviews from around Ireland, the UK and Spain. If you haven't already, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have already, thank you! So this is one of the main student areas in Belfast. Queen's University is just around the corner from here. The Chipco is always very popular and they've got lunch offers as well. Who doesn't love a Greggs sausage roll or a steak bake? Let me know in the comments if you have any recommendations of restaurants I should try in Belfast or Ireland. If you are enjoying this video, press the thumbs up icon and click subscribe. Doing that will help grow our channel and push this video out to other people considering visiting Belfast and the island of Ireland. Just on the right here is the Empire Music Hall. You'll often get bands playing and the comedy club is fantastic. We've been there a few times and it's always good crack. Let's actually take a look at the food menu. It's very reasonably priced and I can see garlic bread for £4.50, margherita pizza for £7.50, burgers there as well. But if you do buy a drink, you can get a pizza for £5. Let's keep walking. So you've got Botanic Station and a spa. You're really well connected to the rest of Belfast and further afield in this area. One thing I've noticed is there are lots and lots of charity shops. So if you are a bargain hunter, this is the place to come. Lee Garden Chinese restaurant is always very busy at night as well. We're just coming up to Donegal Pass now, and this area is a bit of a Chinatown in Belfast. Restaurants offer traditional Chinese food, so check that out if you visit Belfast in the future. We're heading into the city centre now. The next street we're going to take you down has undergone a bit of a transformation in recent years to make it look more presentable. But as you can see, a lot of the buildings are vacant and being left to rot. If you haven't already, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. It really does help us out more than you can imagine. A lot of these buildings in Belfast used to be old linen warehouses from when Belfast and Ireland was considered a linenopolis. Lots of new hotels have popped up in recent years in this area. You've got Maldron Hotel and Grand Central Hotel, and is actually in close proximity to the sister hotel, the Europa, on the left. We're just coming up to the world's most bombed hotel, the Europa. Incredibly, it was still standing today after it was bombed 33 times between 1971 and 1994 during the Troubles here in the north of Ireland. And opposite you have the Crown Bar, one of the most famous pubs in Belfast. You'll notice a mosaic of a crown on the floor of its entrance so that people can step on it when they arrive and leave. Allegedly, Protestants liked the bar because it was called the Crown, and Catholics liked it because they got to wipe their feet on the crown on the way in. There are so many historical buildings in Belfast, and walking around you'll find signs giving you more information about the building. Let me know in the comments what you think of Belfast and if you would consider visiting the city in the future.